Hello guys, it's Chris with MarketWillSM.com, and on today's video I'm gonna share with you one method, one website you can make $10 or so by just testing, downloading a few apps, testing them, giving some feedback, checking some videos, and you can get paid while you're doing this. So this is what I'm gonna share with you today. Stick with me all the way down to the end to see all the tricks you can use on this method. And before we go ahead and start this video, guys, as always, I would like to ask you to click the subscribe button following this video all along the way so you can be part of my channel. Give me your feedback, it would be a great honor. So go ahead and click the subscribe button. And with no further ado, let's go ahead and start the video for today, guys. The website I'm going to be talking about is called earlybird.com. It's not the actual early the world, it's spelled a little bit different. All the links you're going to need is listed below in the description so you can get it from there. And what earlybird.com does, the concept behind this website is that Earlybird is trying to help people that are trying to launch a new application or apps or products to get actual feedback before they get launched or after they get launched, to get feedback from testers. So this is where we become a tester for these apps. And as you can see here, gives you the power to better test with real people in real environment and collect on-demand user feedback for Android, iOS, website, desktop apps, and tech products, powered by a global community of over 100,000 real-world testers. So that means, guys, it's a very nice, legit website. So you are able to trust, and when you invest your time, you don't have to worry if you're gonna get paid. This is a legit. I tried; it's working just fine. You can see some of the big companies that are using earlybird.com to get their product. And as you can see, what they offer to the companies and what we use from our side to become a tester is like beta testing when it comes to feedback, user feedback on here, and you will see usability videos as well. Now, what I would like you to do, guys, is usually you get about $10 per test or per completion. So how does this work? If you scroll down a little bit, yeah, you can see that we recruit your target audience, choose from 12 consumer audience. So they give this to the customers to choose the audience, and you can see that they're charging about 15 USD per video per hour, and about 10 of them goes to you or us as a tester. As you can see, a small video how this works, guys. I'm just gonna scroll down to see how this works. If you come here, yeah.
So it says that I'm supposed to go to story of my trades. I don't see that. Let's click this next button.
Very interesting. I don't like that it keeps pulling me out of that. It should let me be able to scroll up and read if I want to. No.
Living, breathing ancient humans. Over 40,000. Whoa, okay.
So you can see, guys, here you can go and check the video by yourself and see more in detail and more in depth what it's all about. As you could see, the video, the guy gave feedback that he would like the opportunity to scroll down a little bit. So that's it. You're gonna give the option as a feedback that I would like to scroll down a bit. Now, few things I would like to mention for you guys here is, so as I told you, a few things you need to take into consideration that a lot of people will be asking, so you don't check around. What do you need in order to start this? It's like, it's very easy, guys. You need to have a legitimate PayPal account, to be a good English speaker, and have an email so you can confirm your account. That's it. So far, there is no limitation on the country, so you go ahead and sign in. When you go ahead, you can click here and join as beta tester, and it will bring you to this page, guys. You use your email address. Now, because this is applications and so on, website is going to ask you a little bit more information when you go ahead and log in to create your account, and you can ask you questions like, for example, what website are you using, what browsers are you using, what kind of phone you're using, what kind of iOS or Android are you using, and so on. This is information they need, guys, so be as accurate as possible, because the more information and accurate information you give on this one, the more more accurate test they're gonna give you to complete. Now, if you're having an iPhone and you're using an iOS and you check as well that you're using an Android phone, they will give you the option to do Android tests. How are you going to complete those if you don't have access to an Android? So be as accurate as possible, and when you go ahead and you complete these tests, so this is one, guys. And the other thing I would like you to take consideration is that when you complete these tests, I want you to be as accurate and give good and true feedback. I mean, don't complete the feedback and the apps and the products revision and just give feedback just to give the feedback and complete, because when you do this and you get the $10 for the test you did for the sex, for example, you did a preview for an app and you're giving the feedback and you submit, when you go ahead and click to get a request for payment on your PayPal account, it will take up to 7 business days. And the reason that this take up to 7 business days is because the administrators and the owners of the website is going to go back and they're going to see the feedback, if it's valid, if it's correct, if you're talking and testing accurate about this app. So also this is going to give you good credit, so you're going to become a very good tester. You're going to rank up and you're going to get more and more tests, and you're going to get paid more because you are a valuable tester for them. So if you are not doing this and you just apply, you do the feedback and you just type anything just to complete it, is not relevant, then they're going to block you. They're going to say you are not going to use your services and you're not going to get paid. So like any other job, be productive, be accurate, go ahead and give it a shot. It's very easy to use, and you can start making some good money. As you can see, you can earn up to $10 per test, or even more based on the money that the company HiringEarlyBird.com is providing for this test. So this is what I wanted to show you guys today. Very nice site to do. It's applicable most of the countries in the world, so you can go ahead and register to see what you can get from your side. This is not gonna make you rich overnight, guys. You will be able to get some tests and done it, but if you want to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make money online, click the link below, guys, to get it there, or access to my #1 recommendation, free to use. You're gonna thank me later on. And if you like the content of this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up, and if you haven't done it already, do subscribe on my channel, guys. It would be a great honor to have you on my channel, as I learn from you as well and get your feedback. Thank you. Start making some money, guys. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.